Block just open-sourced Buzz, one workspace that replaces Slack, GitHub, and the glue code in between, where AI agents work as real teammates with their own cryptographic keys. It pulled in 6,500 GitHub stars within 2 days of launch. Let's look at what a hive mind for humans and agents actually looks like, and the one design decision that makes it work. This is the Buzz repo on GitHub, launched publicly on July 21st and moving fast, with 4 desktop releases shipped in the last 3 days. The pitch fits in one sentence: a workspace where humans and agents build together, on a relay you own. Under the hood, it's a Nostr relay written in Rust. Every message, reaction, workflow step, review approval, and Git event is a signed event in one log. Same shape, same identity model, same audit trail, whether the author is a person or a process. The README is refreshingly honest about it. Yes, it's another AI-adjacent developer tool. The difference is what agents can actually do once they're inside. Open repos, send patches, review code, run workflows, drop into voice huddles. And the way Buzz stores your Git repos is unlike any forge you've used before. Hold that thought, because it's coming up. Before the tour, credit where it's due. Buzz comes out of Block's open source group, the same organization that ships Goose, one of the most popular open AI agent frameworks on GitHub. The Block org maintains 125 public repos, and Buzz is its newest and boldest bet, that the next bottleneck in software isn't model intelligence, it's coordination. That Thesis shapes every design decision in this code base. Here's the core idea in 4 points. First, agents are members, not bots. You add an agent to a channel the same way you add a person, and it shows up with its own identity. Second, everything is one event log. Chat, patches, CI results, approvals. All the same kind of signed event, all landing in one search index. Third, identity is cryptographic. Every person and every agent signs with their own Schnorr keypair. It's portable and verifiable, not an API key a vendor manages for you. And fourth, it's Apache 2.0 and self-hostable. Your relay, your data, your audit trail, independent of any single company, including Block. The numbers tell you how hard this launch landed. 6,558 stars and 528 forks, most of it arriving in the 48 hours after Block flipped the repo public. It's written almost entirely in Rust, organized as a workspace of small, focused crates. The relay, auth, search, pub, sub, media, and the agent surface each live in their own crate. And this isn't a research demo. The relay, desktop app, channels, threads, DMs, canvases, media, search, and the hash chain audit log all work today. Here's what it looks like in practice. This is a Buzz engineering channel where people and an agent coordinate side by side. The agent posts findings, teammates react with emoji, and the whole exchange stays in the room. Searchable later, evidence attached. Agents have their own channel memberships and their own audit trail, so you scope one by identity, exactly the way you'd scope a new teammate. Not with permission flags bolted onto a shared bot account. That's the trust model. Give the agent less than the keys to the kingdom, but more than a chat window. Block engineer Tyler Longwell put the whole thesis in one line. The bottleneck moved from intelligence to coordination. The models got good. What's been missing is a place where their work is visible, attributable, and reviewable right next to yours. Buzz's answer is architectural. Don't wire agents into a chat app as an afterthought. Give them the same surface area a human teammate gets, and let the audit trail keep everyone honest. Standing up your own relay takes 3 commands. Clone the repo, activate Hermit. That's Block's pinned toolchain manager, so the right Rust, Node, and Just versions download automatically on first use. Then just setup and just build. Setup copies the env file, starts Postgres, Redis, and Minio in Docker, and runs the migrations for you. From there, just relay boots the relay on localhost port 3000, and just dev opens the desktop app against it. If you'd rather not touch a compiler at all, packaged installers ship with every release, macOS, Linux, and Windows. The defaults are sane. The env file exists for when you outgrow them. Collaboration isn't just text, and this is one of my favorite details. Buzz ships canvases, and media with frame-anchored comments. Drop a screen recording into a channel, and teammates pin feedback to the exact frame they mean. No more timestamps typed by hand into a thread. And search spans all of it because the conversation, the patch, the workflow run, and the approval are all the same kind of event, living in the same index. And the pace is the part that genuinely impresses me. 4 desktop releases in 3 days, 5.4.20 through 0.4.23, 528 forks already. 490 open issues, because launching in the open means triaging in the open. This is a team shipping in public, at the speed the tool itself is designed to enable. Now the payoff on that Git storage tease. Your current stack is Slack for chat, GitHub for code, a CI dashboard, a search tool, and a pile of glue code pretending they know about each other. Buzz collapses all of it into one relay. Repositories are stored as immutable, content-addressed pack files, plus one mutable manifest pointer, a forge deliberately designed for machine-scale activity, so a swarm of agents pushing patches doesn't melt your Git server. Patches, reviews, CI status, and the merge decision land as NIP34 events in the same room as the conversation. Open a feature branch, and the channel becomes the record of why the code exists. That's not a chat app with a Git integration. That's one substrate. If you just want the story, there's a hosted landing page at buzz.xyz, and packaged desktop builds ship with every release, so you can try the app without touching Rust at all. Mobile clients for iOS and Android are being wired up in Flutter right now. The fastest path today is the desktop app pointed at your own local relay, or at one somebody shares with you. The URL is the workspace. Point the client at a relay, and that community is where you are. The timeline explains the ambition. The repo was created quietly back in March 2026, and for months block built internally. Rolling Sprig build started in May. On July 21st, they flipped it public, and the press immediately framed it as a Nostr-based rival to Slack and GitHub. 1 day later, v0.423 shipped, and the vision docs point much further out. Web of trust reputation across relays, workflow approval gates, and frontier agents orchestrating swarms of cheaper ones. Their own blog says it best: software got cheap, taste didn't. If you build with agents, Buzz is worth an afternoon of your time. This is Prism Labs. Subscribe for what agents do next.